Direct versus debt mutual funds. Meet Rahul. He has some money that he wants to invest in the debt market, and he chooses to do so directly by investing in a bond of a reputed corporate that is rated AAA. This bond promises to pay 8% yearly for the next 5 years. This is Sheila. She has decided to invest her money in the debt market through a debt mutual fund. Her investment horizon is about 5 years too. Both of them seem happy with their investment option until an emergency situation arises and they need the money urgently. Rahul is stuck. He cannot redeem these bonds early. He has to wait out the tenure. On the other hand, Sheila submits her redemption request to the fund house and encashes her investment and meets her requirement. Mutual funds provide high liquidity. Now consider a falling interest rate environment. Rahul still gets his 8% per annum interest, and that's about it. Whereas for Sheila, the debt fund manager will try and capitalize this change to generate returns over and above the interest component. Mutual funds are actively managed. It is the annual bonus time, and both Rahul and Sheila find that they have some additional amount that they would like to invest. Rahul cannot invest in the same bond and has to look for other investment options. Sheila is happy with her current investment in the debt fund and just makes an additional purchase in the same fund. Mutual funds provide flexibility to invest at your convenience. Now imagine a scenario where there is a downgrade in credit ratings. Rahul will have to bear the risk of holding a lower credit paper at no additional cost. Whereas for Sheila, the fund manager will hunt for credit change opportunities to try and generate more returns. Mutual funds manage changes in credit change. Lastly, let's consider taxation. At the year end, both Rahul and Sheila are computing their tax liabilities. Rahul figures that he has lesser money to take home. Mutual funds turn out to be more tax efficient than direct investments. For a retail investor, investing in debt mutual fund have a lot of advantages over investing directly in debt securities.